everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys a lace wig from Yolova hair, and I am going to unbox it and install it and check it all out from start to finish. So come along with me and see what you think. So Yolova hair has quite a few wigs and units available. They also have some headband type wigs and some different things. I will have the link down below. This is the box that it comes in. Nice and sturdy, really nice box. And then the hair comes packaged in this silk bag. Also in the package came eyelashes, a wig cap, and some really nice tweezers. I'm always up for some nice tweezers, whether that to pluck the wig or use in my makeup routine. So that was really nice to get. Here's a nice silk bag that the hair comes in. And here is the wig. Okay, so here it is, all boxed up. The lace is intact. I will need to trim that. And this wig has a body wave. In fact, let me tell you exactly what this is on the website. It is their body wave 13x4 lace wig with 180% density, and the color is piano honey blonde human hair. This is definitely a honey blonde color, and I'm assuming the piano means that those highlights are a little bit chunky. It is a very, very beautiful color. I feel like my ring light and this lighting is actually making it look warmer than it truly is in person, but it is warm. So yeah, this is exactly the way the wig comes with its wave. The length on this one is 20 inches. It says that it's pre-plucked human hair. This is 100% premium quality human hair. It's soft and shiny, silky, and tangle-free is what they say. It has these hand-tied knots. They're easy to style. It has little baby hairs, and you have the appearance of real scalp. Now, they say this is a glueless wig, but you can use adhesives if you wish. Here's the underside of the cap construction. You have this lace that I obviously need to trim, and that lace goes ear to ear. And of course, you have this huge crown area that is also hand tied. That area that's hand tied is that 13x4, and then the remaining area of this cap is closed wefted. So you have those wefts with this closed material on the underside of the cap. You have a comb on the back side of that crown area after the meshy lace section. And then you do have a comb on either side by the ears, and you have a comb at the nape. You do have some lace down at the nape as well, with some wefting, and then you have your adjusters at the nape. Okay, so I'm going to put the adjusters on where I think it might need to be, and then I will trim this lace. Okay, so let's trim the lace at the nape, and then I will trim the lace around the rest of the front. Okay, lace is off. Now I'm going to put this wig on as is, and then I might install it with some adhesive just for the heck of it, see how it looks. But let's just put it on, see what it looks like at first. So the cap actually seems quite roomy. I'm going to tighten it at the nape. But yeah, you could probably wear this without any adhesives. Because the lace does go to the ears, I think that using adhesives will give you that even more seamless appearance, have it nice and tight and flush to the head. But either way, because of the adjusters and the combs and everything, you can, you know, get away with not using any sort of tapes or adhesives. Okay, you guys, I decided to see how this body wave style reacted to heat tools and flat ironing. And as you can see, it is nice and smooth and flat and straight. But because it has that body wave, I believe that if I take a barrel curl or curling wand to this here wig, it probably will take the curl very well and maintain the curl for quite some time. The hair feels nice and smooth and silky. It feels very soft. The density feels realistic. Of course, with the body wave, it felt a lot thicker, but that's the case with curly hair. When you have waves and curls, it automatically looks fuller and thicker and more dense, you know, that va-va-voom. Having it smoothed out like it is, it definitely made the density go down. You still have quite a bit of hair here, and like I mentioned, this is 180% density. Now in this lighting, the piano honey blonde does look more warm. Let me turn off my ring light so you guys can kind of see what it looks like just in normal room light with a little bit of sunlight coming in, afternoon sunlight. And then maybe I will actually go outside and take some pictures out in natural lighting as well. This is warm, so I might use a toner on it to help lighten up the warm highlights, but really it is a beautiful color. The highlights are gorgeous. Let me do a full turnaround so you guys can see these highlights and this length from all angles. So I went ahead and turned the ring light back on. But yeah, it is beautiful. It is a beautiful wig. Again, this color is piano honey blonde human hair. You have some dark brown, and then you have this very dark honey blonde. Kind of chunky highlights throughout. A lot more up in the front, but you really have it all over. I mean, if you look through the wig, it's all over. You have this large section of fully hand-tied area from ear to ear, and then a huge crown area. So you have that multi-directional parting ability. Now the lace is like a creamy color. I was nervous that it wouldn't, you know, blend with my skin tone very well. Honestly, it blends pretty well with my skin tone. The knots look pretty good. I have a knot concealer I might try on it, see how that helps, but the knots look pretty good. I haven't done anything with the knots or the underside. You could use some concealer. You could use some scar tape. You could use, you know, just do some different things to help conceal those knots. It does have some slight baby hairs, a little bit, but you could utilize baby hairs if you'd like. I mean, there's so many different things you can do to further blend and make your wigs look more seamless and more realistic. So I really haven't done anything aside from putting it on and using a little bit of this Got to Be Glued right up at the front to help tack it down even more. But yeah, so here's the front. I did flat iron it so it wants to part, you know, the way that it is, but you can see that it can part every which way, as you can see. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this. The color is kind of a creamy tone lace, and then the knots are, you know, like somewhat visible. They're not invisible, but they look pretty good. And it does go from ear to ear. I don't have it tacked down very well along the ear tab. I like the Got to Be Glued gel better than the spray for that purpose. But anyway, I'm quite impressed with this here wig. It's long, it's beautiful, and it looks like you can customize and get it in different lengths. And they do have different colors and options on their website, different textures. So do check that out. You guys can get a discount over there using the code FRINGE, capital F-R-I-N-G-E. I will have that code down below. I will have the link to this wig down below, and I will have the link to Yolova's website so you can check out their other options that are over there. Anyway, what do you think about this here beautiful piano blonde wig? I think she's really pretty, actually, like, and long. So long and gorgeous. Yeah, I think I might try a toner on these blonde chunks just to see if it lightens up, tones it down a little bit, the brassiness, but really it is a gorgeous color. The placing of the highlights is very pretty. And I'm quite impressed. If you're looking for a very long, luscious, human hair, lace front wig, they have great prices, and you guys can use that discount code as well. Like I said, all those links will be down below. Let me know your thoughts on this here wig, and if you have any questions. Anyway, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe if this was helpful. I want to thank Yolova for giving me the opportunity to try this wig and share it with you guys today. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.